Okay guys, let's check out this paper airplane again. I need to stand right here further and I will straight up high. Okay, make sure that you curve the end of the wings up a little bit like this, and both sides should be even. Okay, let me adjust it. Here we go, looks much better. So hold like this and throw straight up. Wow, really far. So let's check out this paper airplane again. I will throw it hard to see how far it can fly. Make sure that both sides are even. Okay, like this. See? Now let me throw it. Wow. Alright, so let's test out this paper airplane. I'll hold it right here and throw it straight up at 40 to 35 degrees and see how far it can fly. Okay. Wow, it's really good. Alright, let's check it out. Up here. Wow. Hi everyone, welcome to TriKdanG channel. And today I am very excited to share with you a new awesome paper airplane. This paper airplane is my new design and it works very well. It flies very far and this is very easy to fold. As you already know, I am very interested in traditional paper airplane, and this paper airplane is invented based on a traditional era. Now, let me show you guys how to make it. To make the paper airplane, you need a piece of US letter size paper. If you don't have US letter size paper, use A4 paper and it should work too. Now, let's start. Before you start folding the paper airplane, make sure that you flatten the paper down. Next step, let's fold the paper in half. I press the paper down. Then, turn the paper over. Unfold the paper first actually, and then I'll turn the paper over and fold the paper in half again. Fold the paper in half again and unfold the paper. Next step, I will start from this upper edge, fold both sides to the center crease. Repeat the same fold for the other side. On the following step, I start from this tip for straight to this line. Now, I unfold the paper. Following steps, start from this edge and this edge, fold both sides to the center crease. Repeat the same fold for the other side. On the following step, I will use this point as a reference to fold this tip down. Now I fold this tip down along the center crease. All right. And I adjust the paper as well on this side as well on the other side. On the following step, I will start from this upper edge, I forward to this edge. Actually, I start from this edge. I must try to match this edge to the crease that we just made. So I hold the paper down and I adjust the paper and I fold this like this. You know that now at this part of the paper we have multiple layers, so it may be very thick and it's hard to fold, but be patient, you will be able to make it. Once I finish this side, I repeat the same fold for the other side. Let me turn the paper like this so I can fold it easier and you can see it clearly. Now I will start from this edge, I fold it to the crease right here. Alright, this looks really good. Next step, let's fold this triangle shape up to hold the paper all together. Perfect, you can see that. Now flatten the paper down. Make sure that you hold the upper part of the paper like this so it won't open. Then I turn the paper over, still hold this part of the paper. Now I fold the paper in half. Okay. Press the paper down. Next step, let's match this edge to the other edge to create the wings. So I just cut slowly. If you can't match it, that's okay. Just curl the paper and do as much as you can. This part of the paper, you don't have to press it down so hard. So just leave it this way and match this edge to the crease or the edge. Okay? So just leave that part there. It's okay to be like that. Then turn the paper over. Repeat the same fold for the other side. Okay, this same thing. I just curve it. And then I match this wings to the other edge of the other wings. Make sure that both sides are even. Okay, let me rest the paper down. It's okay to be this part like that. Delete it like that. Okay, rest out the paper. And now I can pull the wings up. Make sure that this one goes down a bit, okay? Curve it. Both sides should be even too. If both sides are not even, the plane won't fly far at all. Need to adjust the head too. Alright. Make sure that you curve this edge of the wings up a bit. Look at this. Look at this new paper airplane. This is very simple. Very similar to the Arrow. This is different. And this is in my Project X paper airplanes design. So I call it the Arrow X. As you already know, the Attacker X is a very good paper airplane. This paper airplane is not an exceptional. It is also very good, and all the paper airplanes in the Project X is a unique long distance paper airplanes. And finally, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like the video, share the tutorial with your friends, and subscribe my channel. And see you next time. Bye bye. Okay, so let's throw this paper airplane. Make sure that the wings are flattened, and then you hold the paper airplane at the center of the plane and thrust very hard, because this paper airplane is heavy on the head. If you don't throw it hard enough, the plane may not fly very far. Okay, it tend to go down, but if you hold correctly and then you throw it correctly as well, the plane will fly very far. Okay, let me hold it right here and throw it right now. As you can see that it's flying very far. Let me go to pick it up. Very straight. Make sure that you flatten the wings, and then you will surprise how far it can fly. I'm going to pick it up right now. It flies too far and so fast that you may have not seen it. Okay, let me adjust the head, and then I'll throw it to the other direction, maybe this direction. Let me go over here and throw it there. Actually, I'll throw it against. Okay, this direction should be good too. Okay, Let's see how far it can fly from this angle. So it's right here. Okay. You can see that. Have you seen that? It's fly very far. Okay. You need to choose the right angle to throw the plane. You need to hold it at the right place and flatten the wings. That is the whole secret how to make this plane fly well. Okay, so let me pick it up, adjust it. Let's show you again. Here we go. So let me fly it with this angle. Okay. See this? What else can you expect from this paper airplane? It's fly so far. I'm going to pick it up again. And this is like one of the best long distance paper airplane I ever created. And I would like to share with you guys. Hope you will enjoy making the plane. Okay, let me hold it right here. Let me find an angle to throw it. Hello. Another YouTube video. This is really good one. Let's hold back. Let me throw it again, okay? Look at this.
Try not to get
wow.
it stuck again.
Let me pick it up. Alright. Go to me. Fix the head. Let me fix the head. Okay. Let me fix it. And then let's see which angle, which direction should I throw this one, this direction, okay? Let me throw it. Look at this. Oh wow. This is really far, right? Throw it to me. You can throw it to me. Wow. You need to throw it harder. Let me see. Let's throw it.
Wait, when is Daniel gonna come back?
I don't know.
Is it gonna be June 20th?
I think so, maybe. Let me throw it again, okay?
I don't know if I'm gonna still be there.
Okay, let me throw it again. Alright. Wow. Oh. It's so good. Wow.